Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you have the Robinson's bank credit card on your hands from the physical branch or any type of any way you have got that credit card, but it is not activated yet, you don't activate this credit card yet, then you have to do is you have to wait to receive a notification about your Robinson credit card application. When you have applied for a credit card, then note that application take a few days to process. Then once you get your Robinson credit card, here's how to activate it. As through the SMS, send this RBANK, the R Bank ACT, the act space first name, your first name that you have added to your bank account, also your last name or the last name actually you can add on any of them, or last 4 digit of your credit card number, and send it to the 22565009. So you can actually write it down that you have added this one, any of these, like first name, last name, or the last 4 digit of your credit card. Then you have to send it to this number 22565009. Now here in Robinson credit card hotline, you can also just call on this your current credit card country code here plus 62632 8637 care or 22273. Then here is the email that type in the subject line. You have to type in the subject line that R Bank space activate CC, activate underscore CC, and the first name, or you can add your last name or the last 4 digit of your credit card number and send it to this email, that's C3 underscore quick assist at the rate robinsonbank.com.ph, and you are good to go. Whenever you send it, then your card will be activated in a few hours and you can use your credit card without any type of hassle. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.